Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 4, that is chemical kinetics. This chapter is very important. In this chapter, we study about the rates of chemical reaction and how the reaction proceed, and mechanism also, and what are the factors which influence the rate of a reaction. In simple, we can say kinetics is the branch of chemistry which deals with the rate of chemical reaction and the factor which influence the rate of reaction and the mechanism by which reaction proceed. The word kinetics is derived from the Greek word kinesis, meaning movement. काइनेटिक वर्ड काइनेसिस से लिया गया है और काइनेसिस का मतलब मूवमेंट होता है। और हम लोग जो केमिकल रिएक्शन के बारे में बात करते हैं उसमें भी अंदर के मॉलिक्यूल्स में जब तक मूवमेंट नहीं होगा तब तक कोई केमिकल रिएक्शन नहीं हो सकता। ओके, इन केमिकल रिएक्शन वी सी there are different types of chemical reactions. Some reaction are very fast, some reaction are very slow, and some reaction are moderate. For example, in case of fast reaction, we see when you react zinc with hydrochloric acid, then zinc chloride and hydrogen gas will form. This reaction will take place in few seconds. It does not take long time. In case of moderate reaction, it will take average time, just like for decomposition of calcium carbonate, decomposition of lead nitrate. Okay, but in case of a very slow reaction, you feel it takes a very large time. बहुत लंबा समय लेता है. For example, rusting of iron. If you keep iron in open atmosphere or in the presence of moisture, it takes long time. Okay, so these reaction will be considered as a very slow reaction. Okay, now we see some chemical reaction which are used in daily life. CH3COO C2H5. This will be ethyl acetate, and now it react with sodium hydroxide. We will get the product CH3COO sodium acetate plus ethyl alcohol. Next, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 is known as hydrogen peroxide. It is also an important chemical. It is oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. Now it will convert into H2O and O2. Third, inversion of cane sugar to give glucose and fructose. C12H22 plus O11 plus H2O. It will convert into C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This will be glucose and fructose. Okay. Now we change the page. Another example, decomposition of nitrogen oxide. N2O5 will decompose into NO2, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Okay, these are the chemical reaction. Now we will talk about the rate of a reaction. How we define it? It may be defined as a change in any one of the reactant or product per unit time. Any one. Reactant will convert into product. Now rate of disappearance or decrease in concentration of reactant. That means rate of reaction equal to decrease in concentration of reactant by time taken. Here term disappearance is used. Disappearance indicates decrease in concentration of reactant. Decrease in concentration of reactant. Okay. So we also negative sign is used. Okay, similarly rate of reaction in case of product, increase in concentration of product by time taken. Okay, thank you. In the next video we'll talk about how the chemical rate of a chemical reaction is expressed. Okay, thank you.